t'es mangé l'ambiance. Alles go ou mettre n'est pas de brillant. Chérie, mangez bananou, mangez bananou.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slayyyy, and I am back with another hair review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you a review on these hair clip-ins that I have. These were sent to me from Amazon, okay? It is from a company called Li Hairs on Amazon. So this is like the packaging that it came in. So if you guys are interested in how I installed and how I put this in and everything, go ahead and just continue watching. And then afterwards, I'll come back and just let you guys know, what my thoughts were on the clip-ins and all of that jazz, okay? So see you guys in the end.
My sexy love, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller. Controller, yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller. controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love. Say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give you the details on this clip-in that I have in. So, it is from their Instant Fab collection. It is 100% virgin human hair clip-in weave. And there are 9 pieces that come in one box, okay? And it is 1C Relaxed Natural. So the texture is 1C. And it is 16 inches, all right? So I only have about, and you know, as you guys saw in the video and everything, how it came in, I only have about 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of them just fell. I only have about 4 pieces left of this, and that's from 2 boxes. So what's in my hair right now is 2 boxes, all right? Now, just to kind of give you guys a quick rundown on what I decided to do. So most people, if you want more like a flatter, kinky, natural type of look, I would say that it's best for you to go ahead and braid your hair down and then clip it in. Me personally, sometimes I do love, you know, really big hair. So I decided to just go ahead and just part my own hair and then clip. So part and clip, as you guys saw. That's all that I did. And then up here, I added 2 clips in my little buns up here. Y'all like that? I thought it was cute. So I added just 2 pieces up here, and then everything else I just parted and clip. Luckily, like, my hair is not natural, as you guys know. Like, I do perm my hair from time to time. However, I had just washed it today, so it actually looked a little kinky after I blow dried it. I didn't really straighten it at first. You know, when you guys saw in the review, I started using my hot comb. Then I realized my hair might be a little bit too straight to blend in with this if I continue using the hot comb. So I decided to just comb it out and lay it down. Comb it out and lay it down, and it would look as natural as possible. So up here, as y'all can see, I just brushed out my own baby hairs. And I mean, this was super easy, like seriously though. And I love the texture. It's like our natural texture hair, you know what I mean? So if you do have like that 1C type of hair, you can definitely blend this with your own hair, like no problem. Even if you don't have 1C, honestly, because like I said, my hair is permed and this still worked out for me. Now, some goodies that they give you in the packaging, which I thought was super bomb. So they do give you like a little brush to go ahead and brush your baby hairs. It's a 2-sided, I thought there was something in here. I don't see it, but it's basically a 2-sided comb brush. So you have your brush here, and then you have your comb here, and it's purple, and I thought that was cute. And I have like 2 of them because of the extra packaging. So, I mean the extra box that I got. So this is what is in here. You have your comb. Let me open this up for you guys so you guys can see really quickly. Basically the same thing because I had 2. Oh, this one's is it a different color? Oh no, it's not. It's not a different color. Okay, perfect. So here we go. So in the packaging you get a comb. Now I have an extra comb, and then you get like a little edge control from Olive Oil, which smells really good. And then you have your double-sided edge brush and comb. I thought that was a bomb, y'all. So you don't even need to buy an extra comb. Like, for what is this? And then now I have extra edge brushes, which you can never have enough of these. Like sometimes mine just get a whole bunch of glue in there. I mean, not glue, but like gel and stuff like that. So it gets a little hard, and then I have to wash it and all that. But now I have extras, sis. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I wanted to do something different for you guys, and I feel like this is definitely different and it's really cute. FYI, I have never ever done like clip-ins, so this is my first time trying clip-ins. So once again, I did receive these clip-in wigs from Amazon. I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing. Also, if they are out of stock for whatever reason, you can also find this on other websites. I believe CM's Beauty is one of them. But yeah, so I got it from Amazon, and if they're out of stock for whatever reason, or if you can't find enough, you can also find this on samsbeauty.com as well. Okay, so yeah, y'all, what y'all think? Y'all like the big hair? It's giving me like Afrocentric type of vibes. And then like I said, if you want it fuller, add all of them in there. I only had 4 pieces left. I probably could have just keep on adding, but I mean, this is pretty thick. This is pretty full. You know what I mean? So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and definitely stay tuned because I will be back with more videos pretty soon. Bye guys.